Boshart Industries is located in Milverton, Ontario. Boshart is an importer and a manufacturer of well supplies, irrigation supplies, and waterworks supplies. What I'm about to speak about are a couple of the products that are commonly used in the pump and well industries. We have some unique features that we can show to you. The first that I'll show is our stainless steel pitless adapter. This is a 304 grade stainless steel. A couple things to point out. First of all is that you'll see, if you can zoom in here and see this number, what that number indicates is the O-ring that is in the male part of the pitless adapter. This is what creates your seal. There's no tip coming off of our male. The reason why is that the female section of it is a saddle seating application. The O-rings make for a tight seal on the well casing with your collar and your nut to secure to make sure it stays on the well casing. Just simply slides in. There's your connection. You'll have your male adapter coming off of the bottom, and then you'll have your pipe coming up, okay, in which you can pull the pitless adapter apart. As you can see, slides out very easily, slides in very easily. This pitless adapter with the 304 stainless and the high tensile strength that it offers is non-corrosive and can support well pipe, steel well pipe over 2,900 feet filled with water on 1-inch steel pipe. That's how strong this pitless adapter is. A couple other things to show on stainless steel. Again, 304 stainless steel. This is just one of our many tank tees that we supply out of Boshart Industries. Again, 304 stainless, very clean looking. This is a stainless steel on 304 that's commonly used in the food grade industry, restaurants. Very clean, very expensive looking. This here, do the union, and what pops out is a Teflon, white Teflon seal. And what makes the seal is that flat to flat surfaces, so that when you tighten it, oops, sorry, back in action here. Okay, you tighten it down, makes a nice seal for you. We also supply the stainless steel tank tees and without a union. And you can buy, I like this feature, you can buy just the tee itself and then stock whatever nipples you want, okay, in whatever lengths you want. So this would be the only tee that you need to stock, with maybe 3 or 4 different sizes on the nipples. Just screws in, whether it be a 4.5 inch, whether it be a 10-inch nipple. This is your tank tee. A suggestion here on stainless is that when putting it together for the threads, we highly suggest that you use our stainless steel compound. The compound is a way of securing the fact that it won't leak. It's a gritty bluish compound, so you'll see the surface contact that it's making with it. And prior to putting that on, one of the things I suggest is that you use our stainless steel Teflon tape. How you can tell is that it has the same color as the stainless. It's a thick tape, so it makes good for getting inside the grooves of your threads. Once that's on, put on the compound, and you'll find that you have a nice marriage between the seal of your pitless adapter and your tank tees, as far as any of the accessories that go on it. On the pitless, it'd be your male adapters, and on the tank tees it'd be a variety of products, from the check valve to the relief valve to the boiler drain to the ball valve, your nipple that supports your pressure gauge and your gauge. So again, a lot of strong emphasis on using both, okay, the Teflon tape, stainless steel, and the Teflon stainless steel pipe compound. All the stainless obviously is no lead, so it meets and complies with the no lead, the Safe Drinking Water Act. We also have the same type of products offered to you in our no lead brass. Again, you'll see the numbers that indicate the O-rings that are inside here. Same as our stainless steel Phillips adapter as far as the design and the quality of workmanship. This will support 900 and I believe it's 989 feet of steel pipe filled, 1-inch steel pipe filled with water. We sell a lot of these to the wholesalers in New England, upper state New York. Again, no lead tank tees, very similar to the stainless steel Union tank tee. However, a black rubber O-ring that sits in a seating position that has sits in this groove. You just tighten it down and she makes a nice seal. Again, no lead compliant on all our products. We offer it a full line of stainless or no lead brass. Full line of gauges, liquid filled or non-liquid. Dry, I guess would be the better terminology. We sell them with a lower mount. We also sell them as they would be up this way with a center mount. This is a 0 to 100 liquid filled. One thing to keep in mind is that liquid filled gauges have come down in price considerably. They're certainly not as cheap as a dry filled gauge, but they're much more accurate, and I do believe they're affordable for the small extra amount that you'd have to spend from a dry gauge to a liquid filled gauge. You may want to look into it, okay? If it saves you 1 or 2 callbacks per year, it may be well worth the investment. Last thing I'd like to show you is Boshart's tank, is the Boshart well cap. This is the newest well cap. Gary's dad, Mel Boshart, was the designer of this when he was alive. This comes with a locking mechanism for the padlock, and what holds it in secure is that this nipple that comes out, and to the male part of this nipple comes out into the female part of the outer part of the cap. These are all powder coated caps, so they're far less corrosive than just the painted primer caps that are out there in the marketplace. So the locking feature. The other things to point out is that our ears on the well cap are much lower than our competitors' cast iron well cap. This is a cast iron one, and all stainless hardware, so that when you tighten this down, instead of them being up higher, when you tighten them down, these ears can crack and break. Where this is lower, it's sealing the gasket. I don't know if you can see the gasket. It's in here. The black gasket starts to compress, and that's what makes your seal on a watertight well cap. Please note the vents are big vents. They're nice looking vents. They cover a good surface area for venting of the well cap. You have 1-inch conduit or 1.25-inch conduit, whichever one you want as far as on the well caps, and a nice deep rounded throat inside the well cap that prevents the shaving of wires such as 8-wire or 10-wire, the thicker wires that are out there in the marketplace. We're a little bit more money than our competitors' imported cast iron well caps, but with the features of the locking mechanism, the all stainless hardware, the lower ears, the deep throat body. Also, if you wish, we can imprint your name on them, okay? And I don't know if you can get, Ryan, can you get a shot of that? Okay, and you'll see a plate. It's a steel plate that's riveted right into the well cap with your name, your town, and your telephone number, or whatever type of tag you would like put on there, okay? Let us know. A minimum of 48 of them is required per shipment if you wish to have them personalized for you. So that's some of the neat features of Boshart Industries and some of the nice products that they offer to our pump and well guys that are out there working hard every day. I would ask of you to support us. I certainly believe that you're supporting a good quality company that does their homework on designing the product, having some of it made overseas, some of it being made here in Canada. Again, good quality product for a very competitive price out there. let us know what you think. Thank you.